Let's see how it goes. Oh, let me turn that mic on. See how it goes. Boop. And you say I'm crazy. Let's see how everything holds up to a long distance drive. Yeah.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Thank you, Wazy. I have loved you for many years. But darling, that's just not enough. You made me realize my deepest fears by lying and tearing us apart. Should have cut my fingernails, 'cause they're jagged little pills. That rhymed. I'm a rhymer. I'm a poet. If you guys watched ASMR videos, those things creep me out, like, a lot. It is, like, way too intimate and bizarre, I guess, for me. So, yeah. But having to watch people while they're making strange little sounds, I don't know how I feel about that. Part of me wants to make an ASMR video just to see how it rolls. I've got some mic equipment at home I might try. Because sounds have always been a thing. Like, I love artists who use sound, like their voices, and experiment with their voices, like Regina Spektor. Yeah, there's just a lot of artists that play with noise, which I really appreciate. So I don't know why I'm so triggered by ASMR videos, because I always make sounds with my mouth and with things, because, you know, with ADD you tend to fidget a lot, and a lot of fidgeting is noisy. So yeah, I might try it out, do an ASMR video. We'll see how that rolls. That'll be fun. Edit out that booger. So we're going to be driving from Richmond to Pittsburg, which is about a 20-mile drive. But right now in Richmond is overcast and gray, and it's 57 degrees right now. It's supposed to be a high of 71. But 20 miles away in Pittsburg, we're going to have a high in the 80s, and I'm sure it is sunny and clear. That's one of the things that I love about the Bay Area. We have so many different microclimates. Like, you could literally drive for an hour and be in a completely different climate. You can drive for 3 hours and be in snow. It's bizarre, but amazing. Another thing I'm going to try to do during this video is keep my mouth closed, because I have a tendency to have that loose, lack jaw, because it's like I spend so much time in my brain that the rest of my face just doesn't keep up. So I'm going to try to keep my mouth closed when I'm not talking. Try to keep my mouth closed when I'm thinking instead of hanging open. Camera equipment has withstood the G-forces from a 25 mile per hour on-ramp. I have loved you for many years. Darling, that's just not enough. Ooh, but will it withstand 70 mile per hour winds on the freeway? You made me realize my deepest fears by lying and tearing us apart. You say I'm crazy. Ooh, look at that lighting. Come here. Happy birthday to me. Do you guys ever do that? When you look at a clock and you see that it's your birthday time and you're like, happy birthday to me, or happy birthday mom, or happy birthday anybody that I know their birthdays and I don't have to get it from Facebook? I do that. You say I'm crazy. Hold on, man. Oh yeah, oh pobrecita. I'll show you. It was a little graphic. There was this medium-sized animal hit by a car and it was getting torn apart by vultures. It's kind of badass. We are entering the Contra Costa Delta, the foothills of Mount Diablo, and the greater Walnut Creek and Clayton Valleys. So I'm gonna go pick apricots with my aunt, and she's asked me to stop by Safeway and get some pie crust because she's gonna send me home with a pie. Whoop, whoop. Oh, I also need to get a birthday card while I'm here, so don't let me forget. Ooh, maybe I'll go to Mom's Donuts and Ice Cream. No, I won't. Not if I'm getting a pie. I gotta be careful.
Dreams are nothing more than wishes, and a wish is
What's that?
just a dream.
What is it?
Wish would come true. Whoa, whoa. If only I could have a puppy. I'd call myself so very lucky. Just to have some company, to share a cup of tea with me.
Hi, Gucci. What you doing, Mama? What you doing, Mama?
La 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 la, I wouldn't care, and we would stay away from crowds and sights that said no dogs allowed. I know he'd never bite me. Well, I know he'd never bite me. Well, if only I could have a friend to stick with me until the end.
Will you do it for me? Huh?
Walk along
Come on.
beside the sea, share a bit of food with me. I'd take my friend most everywhere. La 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 la, I wouldn't care. We would stay away from crowds with signs that said no friends allowed. Oh, we would be so happy to be with you. We would be so happy to be.
Good girl.